The DC224 is a pneumatically driven closer for hinged security screen doors. It features an easy, simple to operate hold open button, replacing the sliding friction hold found on our previous DC223 model. To use the hold open button, follow this 3-step process. Press the button, which activates the hold open mechanism. Open the door, then open the door further again to allow it to close. Opening the door at the desired spot will set the lock at that point. When you're ready to close the security screen door, simply give the door a little push open and it will release the hold, allowing it to close. For more information on this or our other innovative products, get in touch with us to find out more.